Now take a look at this question. This says, claim the mean pulse rate in beats per minute of adult males is equal to 68.6 beats per minute. For a random sample of 156 adult males, the mean pulse rate is 69 beats per minute and the standard deviation is 10.8 beats per minute. Complete parts A and B below. This parts A and B just are going to want you to find the original claim and the alternative hypothesis and the null hypothesis. So really, this is extra information at this point. Eventually, we're going to be doing a whole hypothesis test, and then we will need that information. But just to write the claim, you just need this first sentence. That writes the claim and tells you what the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis are. So I want you to get used to using the 8-step hypothesis testing, and we're going to do steps 1 through 3. So first step is to write the claim. So this says the mean pulse rate in beats per minute of adult males is equal to 68.6. Our key word here is mean. So that means our claim is going to be about a mean, and it says is equal to 68.6. So the next step is to write the opposite of that claim, and if it's not equal to, use that symbol, an equal with a slash through it, 68.6. So that is your original claim, and then the opposite, and then step 3 is to label the null and the alternative. Now remember, the null is always the one with the equals to sign. So it's going to be the mean equals 68.6. And then the alternative is the one with the less than or the equal to or the not equal to sign. So this one will always have an equals to, even if it's greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. You're going to always change that to just equal to. And then the alternative can be not equal to, or it can be strictly less than or strictly greater than. Those are the signs that go with the alternative. These are the signs that go with the null. Now, it doesn't ask you for this, but just so you get in the habit of doing it for the hypothesis test, go ahead and put a star by the one that was the original. So our original was the equal to, so our null this time is our original claim.